Hi Capricorn, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to your last love bite of the month. Let's see what wants to show through for you today, Capricorn. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Capricorn and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Capricorn, let's begin your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here once again. And if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. All right. So Capricorn, there is somebody spying on you. So this could be you spying on your person or your person to you. Oh, this person has a lot of love. There's a big King of Cups center of my spread. Capricorn. They do want to work things out. They're planning, plotting, because they feel their Queen of Cups no longer loves them anymore. Bottom of my deck, I have the Seven of Cups. Now this could be either somebody had a lot of options, maybe they were unable to choose at some time and broke this Queen of Cups heart, right? Or now there could be a bit of confusion also of what choice to make and how to now heal this broken heart. So before I start clarifying these cards, Capricorn, I'm going to take some dialogue message cards and see if you guys wanted to say something to each other, what that would be. So Capricorn and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Capricorn and their person, if they could say something to each other. Let's take a few from here, Capricorn. Capricorn and their person, they could say something to each other now. All right. And let's take a couple more from another deck, just to mix it up a bit. Good to go. Let's begin your reading, Capricorn. The first card I have here says, I'm planning a surprise engagement. I want to ask you to marry me. Will you say yes? They want to do something. They're planning, plotting something, keeping a watch and wondering how they can heal this broken heart now. Maybe planning to surprise you. I would like you to meet my friends. I want you to be involved in all areas of my life because you are my world and I want everyone to know. My desire is to have a family with you. Would you have a baby with me? Would you, Capricorn? Somebody is planning an engagement, wants to have a family, wants you to meet their friends and family. What's going on? You're never alone because I'm your shadow. Yes, they keep a watch on you all the time. When you cry, I embrace you in spirit. When you're sad, I will help remind you to smile. I'm always there with you even when you don't see me. But they are seeing you from the shadows. They are maybe spying on you or making fake accounts to check out your social media or asking friends and family about you. So you don't see them, but they see you. Of course, the energy can be flip-flopped. It could be you doing that to your partner, Capricorn. I always choose you every damn time, every damn day. You say that you want me, but your actions don't match the words that have come out of your mouth. Damn it, I want you to choose me and show me that you mean it. Maybe that's something you've already said to this person, and earlier they were a bit shy, not shy, but yes, they kind of kept their emotions in check. Right? Sometimes they came to you with a cup of love, sometimes they hurt you, sometimes they came back with a cup of love. So they're very inconsistent kind of behavior. Basically, they were obsessed. They are obsessed with, working things out with you. They have a lot of passion for their person. But now if you ask them to show, they do want to come and show you now. I always felt your loving energy so strongly as a comforting presence. It hurts me when I can't feel your energy. Are you pulling away from me? Yes, this realization or this action is only coming because this Queen of Cups is now in reverse. Earlier this Queen of Cups was giving and giving and giving and giving till this cup runneth dry. Every drop of love was given to this King of Cups, but this King of Cups was smarter. They kept their emotions, their cup hidden away from you half the time, right? So now this Queen of Cups is now saying, I have nothing more to give. And that absence is being felt now, where they're saying, I know, I feel, I can't feel your energy anymore. Are you pulling away from me? Your ego is effing irritating me. Can't you see the value I would add to your life? If only you would just let me in, we could be a strong power couple. Yes, you could be. This is the King of Cups to the Queen of Cups. But this King of Cups probably kept barriers, never allowed, you guys to become a strong couple or a power couple. And that was the biggest problem here. And that's the reason I think this Queen of Cups has withdrawn now. Why is the best fruit always forbidden? Damn, I know that we shouldn't, but I just can't resist you. The magnetic pull is too intense in your presence. I just can't help myself. So as this Queen of Cups is pulling away, this King of Cups is getting pulled towards. And maybe earlier this Queen of Cups was chasing and this King of Cups was running. That's the way this works. Could be a twin flame or a soulmate connection. There is no one in the world as amazing as you. I have unresolved feelings that I need to work through. Alright, so Capricorn, if this is your reading, let's begin it and see what's happening here. This couple, King of Cups, Queen of Cups, came out in the Cancer reading as well. So in case you're dealing with the Cancer Capricorn, go check that reading out. And yes, I'm going to start with an angel blessing card, see how my angels will bless this reading first, and then we'll clarify the cards. So, blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Capricorn. Vision. Yes, somebody's got their eyes set on you, Capricorn. So, yes, keep that vision board alive and keep moving forward. Things are going to work out from what I feel. And any of you looking for a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. So Spirit, what's this Page of Swords and the Three of Swords in reverse? Page of Swords and the Three of Swords in reverse. Oh God! Capricorn, today the energy is very strong. I can feel it. Page of Swords is clarified by the Page of Swords, if that makes any sense to any of us. Spirit's got a sense of humor right now. They say, why do you want clarification on this? This is so simple to understand. Somebody is watching the other person 24/7. What other clarification do you need for this? Okay, we just wanted to know why, Spirit. Okay, so they are spying because they want to heal this broken connection or broken heart. Three of Swords in reverse, Spirit. Yes, they are manifesting, feeling very emotional at this time. They still have a lot of passion for whoever's heart they've broken. This person could have been a player in the past, maybe had lots of options, and now they are feeling quite emotionally overwhelmed because they've realized they've broken their partner's heart. Now trying to manifest a brand new beginning and wanting to rush towards this Queen of Cups who they know they've hurt very badly. King of Wands, Spirit. King of Wands. King of Wands. Yes, earlier this King of Wands could have been a little egoistic. The King of Wands is usually, a very self-obsessed person. They look good and they're probably a businessman and they have lots of people who want to be around them. So this person could have been blocking this connection earlier. They could have been saying, hey, I have lots of options, a lot of people who want my attention, and they considered this Queen of Cups to be one of them. But now they don't want to be, thinking anymore. I think they want to take that one path which will lead them to their Queen of Cups. They've made up their mind. And not just made up their mind, I think they're getting pretty obsessed with the thought. What's this Devil? Devil with the King of Cups? Devil with the King of Cups, Spirit? Yes, now they've suddenly realized that, all their past obsessions actually made them feel ungrounded. What will money do? What will these options do? What's the point of, chasing after money? What this person now wants is freedom to pursue love. They've suddenly realized that what really matters in life is this Queen of Cups, because without them, nothing makes sense. They feel it's a waste of time chasing after material things or other options, or trying to be a player. What good is it ever going to bring them? Now this person wants to have a fresh new beginning. So King of Cups, King of Cups, King of Cups. Yes, they are very frustrated. This King of Cups is very, very frustrated. Earlier, they could have been a conflict maker. Maybe they were rash, immature. They feel they lost their chance to have this passionate new beginning. And they're recognizing how they jeopardized their chance for having the happiest connection ever. But I have a feeling this person now wants to work on it. Earlier, maybe they were involved with third parties. I don't know. Three of Pentacles. Yes, this person was very selfish, very, very self-centered, selfish, maybe too busy in their job or work or business. But now they want balance and they want healing and they want to rectify the situation. This person is heavily planning, heavily planning. So a Queen of Cups, if you feel they've forgotten you, no, they are watching you big time. They are strategizing, they are planning. Two of Wands, Spirit. Two of Wands. One more. Yes, they know that there's been some kind of a very big conflict or fight that's happened now between the two of you. Maybe they are waiting for these barriers to come down now, and they are actually feeling quite overwhelmed with what they've done. They're feeling very burdened with all this competition, conflict. Maybe they brought other people into the mix. So they are right now strategizing, thinking, and wondering which direction to take and how to take it. Queen of Cups, Spirit, in reverse. Queen of Cups in reverse. Yes, this person is going through a bad karma at the moment. They feel they're being judged now, but not only by this Queen of Cups, but also the universe. They feel everything in their life is going the wrong direction. This person is quite depressed and unhappy at the moment. They feel weak without, their counterpart in their life. And they're feeling, they have bad luck now. They're not even sure whether they'll ever get a second chance with their Queen of Cups, because Queen of Cups is all drained out. No longer showing them anything. No longer coming towards them like before. So they know some choice and some decision has to be made. So what's this Two of Swords in reverse, Spirit? What's his choice? What's his decision? Oh, wow. Capricorn, I need a like first, then I'll tell you what I see. Okay, you can give it to me later. Alright, so this is the decision that they want to make now. Okay, they've made up their mind. No more sleepless nights for you guys. No more stressing. No more sleeping alone and being worried about what the other person is doing. If there was any kind of juggling happening or going back and forth or not sure, all this is going to be dropped now, Capricorn. This is what they want. Basically what they want now, they've realized, is that 10 of Pentacles, which is the commitment, marriage, I love you, have a family with you, will you have a baby with me? All that is priority for them now. They're no longer wanting to, they've realized they've got their punishment. they've got their punishment. Okay? They have realized they can't do without this energy in their life, because without this, they're nothing. Okay? So yes, now you can give me that thumbs up if you wish, and I will see you again next week on Thursday. Till then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.